We are Crazy Three! Welcome to our Art and Craft Club. Please like, subscribe and share.
Hi guys, my name is Hazel. Today I'm going to show you how to make some paper flowers. Let's forge it. For this craft, we are going to need 4 colored papers of your own. I have yellow, green, orange and pink. And you're going to need 1 glue stick, a pair of scissors, 1 pen and a pencil. First we are going to make the sunflower. Let's start! Now I'm going to get my yellow paper. I'm going to fold it in half. Just like this. Then we are going to open it up. As you can see, there is a line in the middle. We are going to cut through that line with a pair of scissors. Now we're going to get 1/2 of the paper and fold it like a paper fan. Turn it around. Now we are going to fold it in half. Now we're going to get these edges and cut it out into a carved shape. As you can see, there is this little carved shape. Now we are going to open it up to get the glue and glue it together. Just glue it over there. Hold it. Press hard so it can tightly stick. Now we are going to open it up and test how it is. This is how it has to be. Now we are going to do the same thing to the second half of the piece of paper. Like a paper fan. Now we've got it like this. We are going to fold it in half again and carve it on the edges over right there. As you can see, I've got this carved bit on the edges. Now we are going to get the glue stick and glue it again in the middle, just like the first one. Glue on there, fold it, and fold it nice and tight so it. Then now we want to test it. Now we're going to stick both of them together with a glue stick. Sunflower. Now we have our sunflower. Now we are going to get 1 piece of paper that's an orange circle and stick it in the middle. Now we've stuck in the orange circle one. Now we're going to get a few strips of green paper and 1 wooden stick. We are going to get 1 piece, glue it on, glue it, and then we right at the bottom of the stick and wrap it around. Now, as you can see, I've got the stick all green with the paper. Now, we are going to get the glue stick, flip over the flower, glue this bit, and stick on the stem. Close it nice and tight and wait for it to dry. This is our sunflower. Now we are going to make another flower. For this craft, we need a glue stick, a wooden stick, some pink paper, green paper, and a pair of scissors. Now I've cut a few strips of green paper. Now I'm going to get the glue stick. Just now I've cutted a piece of pink paper into a rectangle. We are going to fold it in half, fold a little bit so we know how much to cut out. This is how it looks like. Now we're going to open it up like this. Get the glue and glue this. Then put your hand here. Just join these two together. Get the glue stick, glue this whole bit, get our green stick that we've made, stick it there and point. Now we have to roll it till it finishes. This is our flower. Please make this at home. I hope you like this video. Bye!
Please like, subscribe and share. We are praying!